In this video I want to have a word with you about something that happens to me from time to time, and that is I get people in here in the office, or indeed contacting me online, or indeed contacting me by phone, who have had a dispute with an employer, or they've had a dispute with perhaps a neighbour or with somebody else. It might even be a commercial dispute. And what they're looking to do is to build a case. And I'm always very, very wary when somebody comes to build a case, because I explain to them that there are two essentials to winning a legal case, a legal claim. And that is, one, you need to prove the facts, and two, you need to prove the law. So the facts are going to support or provide the bedrock of your case, and then the law is going to be on your side and will be based on the facts. So the facts will support your case and the law will support your case, and then you're going to win your case or win your legal claim. What I'm concerned about, though, is people who are looking to build a case. This is essentially somebody who is aggrieved, who is very, very disappointed, and who wants to get one over on the other person, who wants to teach them a lesson. And so they're looking around or scrabbling around in the undergrowth, looking for some way to get back at the other person. That's a very, very bad way to approach any legal action, because any legal action or employment claim or anything of that nature is time consuming and possibly expensive. And if it's legal action, it's definitely expensive. And you really don't want to be scrabbling around looking for some way to get one over on the other person. In other words, if you're in a hole, then my advice to you is to step away from the freaking shovel. Stop digging. And there's a danger that if you're looking to build a case, looking to create a case out of thin air, then you are in danger of digging yourself an even bigger hole. Your case, as I say, should stand or fall on its own 2 feet. It should stand on its facts, and the law should support it. Now, a half-decent solicitor will be able to identify for you fairly quickly whether, based on your facts, the law is in your favour in relation to bringing a claim. And if that's the case, well and good. But don't get hooked up, don't get bogged down in looking around for ways to try to teach someone a lesson or try to get something over on an employer that may have behaved towards you immorally rather, or unfairly, because the morality of the situation and the unfairness of the situation, quite frankly, is not going to win you a legal claim. The unlawfulness of the behaviour of the other party is what's going to cut the mustard. So you need to be careful. Your claim, your case, must stand or fall on its own 2 feet. 1, prove the facts. 2, prove the law. Then you have a good chance of winning. But don't be scrabbling around looking to build a case, and if you're in a hole, step away from the shovel. Hope you find this useful. If you do, give it a thumbs up down below